Hi folks, I'm Gene Wunderlich, Mayor of our great city of Murrieta. In this week's Murrieta Minute for the week of April 13th, I'd like to share a message of appreciation, of shared sacrifice, and hope while we're working to find the silver lining in this dark cloud. According to Riverside County Public Health, as of yesterday there were 1,751 confirmed cases with a total of 50 deaths countywide. Murrieta has 58 confirmed cases and 1 death. While those numbers are likely to rise, public health experts appear to be saying that these numbers are far less than the original projections because the vast majority of people have adopted the health experts' orders and guidance to be safer at home and practicing 6 feet of social distancing when outside. By practicing the recommended 30 days to slow the spread, we will hopefully be able to get back to a more normal routine sooner rather than later. In his address today, Governor Newsom reflected a cautious optimism that recent reports are showing that modifying our behavior has bent the curve. He said there's no light switch to turn the economy back on. Rather, it'll be more like a dimmer switch where positive trend lines will support a gradual loosening of those orders. While not giving a definitive timeline, he sees hope that the rebuilding process could start slowly, in early May perhaps, but that we can't pull the plug too early and risk a relapse. He emphasized ongoing caution because people are still getting infected and people are still dying, unfortunately, but that where we are today cannot be a permanent state, and he's established a task force to help define what our new normal will look like. Murrieta has shown resilience, but we would expect nothing less from our young city, a city that in its brief history has weathered 2 significant recessions and now a pandemic. Of course, our history as a community is far deeper, reaching back a century to when our forefathers created this oasis out of high desert scrub with nothing more than grit, determination, vision, and old-fashioned core values. Our lives have been turned upside down over the last month, and we've been asked to make many uncomfortable sacrifices that do not come natural for Americans. As your mayor, I want you to know that our city recognizes those sacrifices that each of you are making, and to each and every one of you, I say thank you. I'll close again by expressing our gratitude to our healthcare providers, our urgent care locations, and our primary care physicians and nurses who go to work day in and day out with a sense of purpose. Like our first responders in our police force and fire department, this is yet another reminder that all heroes don't wear capes. And thanks to our grocery store workers who supply our community with provisions that allow us to be safer in our homes. Thank you for opening up early for our senior citizens who need supplies and clean shelves and carts. Thank you also to our city staff who have been working tirelessly and selflessly to keep our city running and to support the needs of our residents and businesses as best we can. We're halfway through our 30 days to slow the spread mandate, and it appears to be working. With your help, there is light at the end of the tunnel. So thank you, and God bless.